Today, we're going to talk about the steps that you can take to have your website removed from McAfee's blacklist. Remember that you should have already removed any offending content, malicious scripts, or malware before following the steps in this video. If you're wondering how, check out this link. You can request removal through the following steps. First, log in to trustedsource.org. Second, select the relevant category from the drop-down menu. In most cases, it'll be the real-time database. Third, add the website URL which is blacklisted. Fourth, in the comment section, mention the steps you've taken. For example, if you followed our suggestions, you can tell them about cleaning malicious files, resetting your htaccess directives, and removing attackers from your Search Console profile. You can find examples of steps taken in the description below. Also, we've created a request to review template that you can use. Find that in the description also. Lastly, enter the email ID on which you want to receive updates of the review and submit it. If you're still wondering how to clean your website and remove malware, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, or we'll turn off the internet. Jokes apart, stay safe and happy security.